Get all this off. So I'll pull those 2 trusses over to here, because there's about 3 sheets of green plywood under there I gotta get out, and then get the rest of the snow off, and I'll stand those. There's that valley line. I can nail my blocks on the gable and stand the big one. I got the gun warming up by the heater. I'm just gonna run upstairs, nail the 3 blocks in and the truss in. Hopefully it doesn't freeze up by then. And I'll run back down here and warm it up again. Well, it's sitting up way too high because it's hitting the brace here. I gotta cut that loose and re-brace it so the truss will go down. And did you see what happened to the gun? Took a tumble right down the stairs. I'll go pick it up, see how it is. Well, the gun fell out of the trusses, hit the stairs, tumbled down the stairs. Where'd it go? Oh, it went all the way over there. That's a good gun. The only thing I would be worried about breaking is the handle right here, but mine already broke. So it makes this a bitch to reload, but it still works. And there's the first one in. I moved the brace. Gun's actually working pretty good. No, I spoke too soon. If you wait 5 minutes, this thing freezes up and doesn't shoot. Run all the way down to the basement again to let it warm up. Let it warm up, then I gotta run all the way up the stairs, all the way up to the roof again. Hopefully it works for another 3 blocks in a truss. Like today is so cold, I literally have 2 minutes to get this up here and shoot what I gotta shoot before it stops working. I gotta let it warm up again. We got one more truss in, so it needs its break now. While the gun takes his break, I'll put this next truss in. It's over here. I'll put my 3 blocks in and then put the truss in. Okay, only one more, and then I'll block in between here to this one, and then in here to the next one. I'll try to get the last one in here before the gun freezes. Now these lookouts will go on this side, like this. Every 2 feet up. And then on this gable, it'll have these lookouts that go on like that, every 2 feet. But for now, the trusses are up, so it's time for a beer. What's the wind chill in Fahrenheit?
The wind chill is currently minus 38 degrees Fahrenheit.